My name is Janilda, and I am here to show you my implementation for the COVID challenge for Adobe Service SDK and View SDK. Now, I want to go first to the first part of the challenge where we have to convert one static HTML file, a static HTML file, like a static website, a static web page, right? So I have here on my input folder different templates. They are templates that I downloaded from free CSS. Those are templates related to education. So since the use case is about helping with the education, I wanted to have PDF related to education. So I downloaded templates, HTML templates. So if I want to convert from HTML to my to PDF, then all I have to do is to open the command prompt or terminal or command line interface, and we can go ahead to, if we are now already in the directory of the project, we can go ahead and navigate to the directory of the project, and we can type in the commands, right? PDF underscore creator, and since I am in Windows operating system, I will put Win. Basically, I have three versions, compilable versions, executable files, one for Linux, one for Mac, and one for Windows. If you want, you don't have to use any of these executable files. Then you will have to use the node commands, and you will have to do npm install, right? So now what I want to do in here is type in the address of my file, right? So let's say, for example, I want science lab. So I will type input, which is the folder name, / science lab. .zip, and that is the path to my file, and then I will select a path for my destination file, right? So I have this output / science lab .pdf. And it was successfully created. Let's go ahead and make sure it was. So we see in here that we have this PDF created, and this is in here how it's looking like. It has 3 pages. Now let's go ahead and try a different file. Help Center. Cute. The Help Center is short, it's not that big. The music school also is short. I would take away the Perfect Learn one from my submission because it's so big, it's so heavy. Okay, now let's see the other part of the project. And the other part of the project is web page. So basically, those I have one JavaScript file and one CSS file. I didn't even need to separate them into folders, but I did. I am also implementing Google Analytics for this. So for that, let me go ahead and show you how does it look like when I host it. So basically, this is how it looks like right now. I choose a file, and let me choose one of the files that I just created. I will get it from the output, and I will use Help Center. And I can see how this HTML has been already. This is in the full window embedded mode. If I want to change the mode, I can just click on here, choose view mode, and then I can click on any other size. Let's do, for example, any other mode. Let's say, for example, size container. I made this div to be, as you can see, it takes the size of my container, and I made the div to be resizable, right? Now let's go ahead and change to inline. As you can see, the inline, if there are text, they are not going to do anything to the text. They will be at the same level, and it's cool, right? So reminder, we have to have, before changing the modes, we have to have the file have to be loaded, right? Okay, so that's it for showing you how it looks like when we are opening a file. Let me now show you what happens when we try to when we want to, for example, copy. What happens right now, I am doing a copy, and here let's go ahead and check the expectation. So let's say, for example, I click on copy. There is an event that is going on right now, text copy. And let's say what else, an event that also goes download PDF and also page view, all of them, right? All of these are events that are also being tracked, and they are being sent to Google Analytics. Let's check how it looks like right now. So if we go ahead and here on all website data, we can see that there are 3 users right now. One is this one. The other one I have it on incognito, and the other one is on my mobile. Right now, I can see on events. I can see here desktop and mobile. Oh wow, so cool, right? It also shows the event actions, and here seems it was inactive with the other one. With this one, let's say for example, if I do text copy right now, what events do I have? I have page view and documents open. So on my incognito, I'm going to do some copy text, and I am going to see that in a soon, and I can see that a user did this copy text, which is cool, right? And coming back to incognito, right? Meaning, and here my mobile, it means that I didn't use my phone. I didn't use my phone to use, so it went back to one. But now I am back on my phone, and I'm going to try to open a file. But let's see if I have a file on my phone. I don't. And I did choose a file, and it's loading on my phone. So this is going to say, this is going to do one of those. It is going to show, and we see it again, right? On the real-time data. If we go back and let's take a look at the events overview from the past, I have nothing right now because it takes 24 hours to see information from this. Okay, so we can see that we can track real time for now, and that data is in the during the last 30 minutes. When a person is not using the website or is inactive in the website, it's not going to keep tracking using this analytics in here, as you can see. So we can see per minute, per second, and so on. And well, that's it for now, right? Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy. Happy Have a great rest of the day or night.